So let us start the chapter. Sequences and series. But before that, let us go to our first chapter that we studied. Sets. So in this was the first video that I used to teach you. First video. It's a nostalgic thing to see this video.
So guys, our first chapter will be sets.
Uh-huh.
So today we won't be going much.
So anyways, let me forward it a bit.
Anyone should ask when they start a new
What I want to
chapter or
see
when
is
they study a new thing.
what are sets?
What are they? Sets. So what are sets? So sets are basically a collection of things.
So what I was saying was sets are basically a collection of things. So now for example, a set of odd numbers, I could write them as 1 3 5 7 9 11. Now I can also write them as 7 3 1 9 5 11. I can jumble the numbers, it doesn't matter. I can again write them as 3 5 1 9 7 11. It doesn't matter, at all, because it is only a collection of things. Set is only a collection of things. It is like you have a box, empty box. This is a box and you throw odd numbers into it. Okay, you just throw them into it, and that box is called the set of odd numbers. Is there any order in that? No order at all. You can jumble them. When you throw things into a box, will there be any order? There won't be any order. So it is just like that. It's just a collection of things without any order. Okay, so that is why all these three things I can call them as set of odd numbers. Okay, but if I say I want it in a specific order, then I have to make it a sequence. So what is a sequence? Sequence is a set in order. A set in order, that is all. That is, for example, set of odd numbers. You saw different cases of sets in the previous thing, right? Previous slide. But look here. This is the only way I can write the set of odd numbers till infinity. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. I have written them in order. Okay. Now, this is the only set which I can make into a sequence. So I can, if I take this curly brackets off, then it becomes a sequence. Then this is a sequence. It is no longer a set, it is a sequence when I take the curly brackets off. And it is an order. This set is in order. It is in ascending order. So let me look at another example. Multiples of 2 till 24. 0, 2, 4, 6. These are the multiples of 2 till 24. It's 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, and so on. I can write them as like this also. 4 to 8. I can jumble the numbers. I can write them. These are also the set of multiples of 2 till 24. This is also a set of multiples of 2 till 24. But all these sets cannot be a sequence because all these are not in order. When I want to make these multiples of 2 till 24 a sequence, then I have to take these two off. Now these two are a sequence, provided I need to do one more thing, but as of now these two are sequence because this is in ascending order and the down one is in descending order. It doesn't matter in what order it is, it has to be in some order. Okay, the set of the numbers, when you put it in some order, then that is called a sequence. Now a sequence, you cannot put curly brackets, you need to take the curly brackets off. So when you have curly brackets, it's a set. When you don't have curly brackets and only and the numbers are separated by a comma, it is a sequence. Now, so what are series? Let us come to that. Series is a sequence written as a sum. Let me tell you what that is. For example, multiples of 2 till 24. We saw that this was a sequence in ascending order. If I take the comma off and if I put the plus sign in between, that means all the numbers, I am writing it as a sum. I'm not finding the final answer here. I'm not finding, okay, 0 plus 2 plus 4 6 plus 6 12 plus 8 20 plus 10. I'm not going to find the answer. I can find the answer, but I'm not going to find the answer. I'm just writing the numbers as a sum. Instead of the comma, I'm putting a plus sign. When I'm doing that, that is called a series. Then the sequence, this is no longer a sequence. This was a sequence. This is a series. See, all set, sequence, series are all basically the same thing, but with different small minute differences, which you would have understood now. For example, a series of odd numbers, it will be 1. This is a sequence of odd numbers. When I want to make it a series, I take the comma off and I put plus. That's all. Okay, so sequences and series are almost the same thing. In the means Why? Because sets are different, because set doesn't have any order, but sequences and series, both of them have order. Both of them are based on a specific order, so they have a common name, and that common name is called progressions. So progressions is a common name for sequences and series, because progressions means it could either be a sequence or be a series. It could be anything. Okay, so that is all for this video. In the next video, we will start seeing on some types of progressions.